what are the job roles we have here? First thing, okay, ServiceNow developer. This is our primary thing, main important thing. Okay, ServiceNow administrator. Okay, ServiceNow consultant, ServiceNow architect, ServiceNow BA. What is the meaning of BA? Business analyst. ServiceNow tester, and I think that's it. Okay,
ServiceNow CMDB.
no sir. ServiceNow CMDB is also ServiceNow consultant, ServiceNow developer, ServiceNow
Sir,
administrator.
service or implementation, sir?
Uh, implementer.
ServiceNow performance or
ServiceNow performance analyst. Okay, he's like a
yes.
developer. He's like administrator only, sir. Okay, there is
What
no
about designer?
designer is also designer means PA or architect. Architect is our designer. Okay, I will cover all the meanings of each word here. Then, if any one or two is missing, then you can write it. Okay. So yes, these are all.
So this is for the this ITSM, okay, and
Not only ITSM, sir. Not only ITSM. It's for everything, sir. Yeah, I will
okay.
be covering it.
For all modules,
Yeah,
I think.
I will be
So
covering.
this ServiceNow CMDB comes under which one, sir? Administrator or developer?
I
CMDB part.
I will be covering it, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
You will understand. Okay. After this one, once I completed this, you will all understand all the things now. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Carry on.
So, mm, yes. Give me one more second. Okay. So how this course helps us when we want to step into ServiceNow. Okay. There is one more where we can also see developer, administrator, consultant, architect, BA, tester, and okay, good. I think we covered everyone. Okay, so now see, okay, everyone from here you may fit into one of the place. If you are experienced, non-experienced, okay, if you are already a tester, if you are already a functional developer, if you are already a change manager, everything, okay, non-technical, technical, everything, okay. Now, okay, incident management issue we seen it, right? We see an issue here. Okay. So first of all, in our organizations, there would be one application, there would be one process called service desk. I'm just giving one example, Maya. Like this, we have so many examples. Okay. I want to. You started with something called service. Yes, now we understood something. Now I'm little going further, like a process. Okay. To to describe something about process, I'm taking one more example here. Okay. So how many know here what is service desk?
SD team we call them.
Sorry, ma.
They raise the incidents.
No.
They
When
raise the
the
incidents.
problem came, the customer can reach to service desk to lodge the complaint.
Yes. Okay.
Service desk person can connect to customer
Okay.
by
Okay.
emails or
The first receiver of issues.
Yeah, so their first level support.
Yes. First level. All
Like
on
customer care.
all are customer care. Okay. So maybe if I type something here, you may get it in a very easy way. Call center we call it as. So 5 years, 10 years back, there was one terminology called call center, call center, call center. Okay. So call center jobs, we may take it in a lighter way, we may take it in a very serious way, but each one have its own significance. It have lighter, it have heavier. Call center. Everyone know about call center?
Yes,
Yes.
BPO jobs.
Okay, BO job, yes. To see in a lighter way. Okay. To see in a stronger way also, we have few more terminologies. But okay, call center, na? Okay. Service desk, one of the entity of service desk is call center, right? Maybe the other wording what someone said last one, BO. What is that?
BPO.
BPO. BPO is also call center. Okay, very good. Okay, business process
Customer
outsourcing,
care.
customer care. Very good. Okay, and blah blah blah. It will come. So first level one support. Level one. Okay. So level 1 people, level 1 support is the first contact that a user can take it into. I have some issue, I have something. I am a part of this organization. I want something. I have something. I need something. Okay, the thing, how to reach the respective person via these people. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Right. So now these things are getting advanced. Okay, earlier 10 years back, there is no other option. Anyone can connect only with people like a BPO or a call center or a customer care or a service desk. Technical call center is service desk. Okay, so here the BPO, the call center, maybe it is more speaking. Okay, no, non less technical, but technical call center is service desk. The meaning of service desk is technical call center, as per my understanding. Okay, maybe if anyone have any definitions also, you can please speak. But this service desk, okay, the ABC company service desk is a global service desk. They have maybe 500 people across the globe. In Bangalore, we have 5 people. Okay. In Noida, we have 10 people. In Calcutta, we have 5 people. In Israel, we have 25 people. In US, UK, Germany, okay, Croatia, everywhere. Okay. This ABC company have a team of service desk. Okay. And it have 500 people. And it is managed by one person. Okay. Then who is my next immediate Anusha Garu. Okay. So Anusha Garu is my friend's sister. So she is the manager of the global service desk here. Okay, this part is clear.
Yes.
Everyone,
Yes,
who is
sir.
Anusha Garu here?
Yes, yes, I'm here.
No, ma. Who is Anusha Garu here?
Head
Manager of
of
the
Manager
Spanish
of
people.
service
Manager
desk.
for that.
Project manager.
Okay, ah, okay, correct name only. Okay, so she is the global service desk owner. That means when I say global service desk owner, what are the applications will be used for service desk? The first one is incident management. So she is the owner. She is the head of incident management. She is the process owner of incident management. Okay. If anything wants to be done in incident management application, she needs to take a call. Okay. I will give one example. Then you will understand. Okay. First, then like this, we have also maybe problem management. We also have something else. First, one example you take it incident, and she is the technical owner. She is the process owner of incident management. Why she is process owner of incident management? Because incident management is the main application where service desk people will use. What does it mean? If someone calls saying I have an issue, what application we use to report an issue? To log a ticket. Incident, no?
Yes.
Correct? Is that correct, ma?
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
as she is heading that entire application, she is heading the entire process. Okay, it's not application, it's a process. So the incident management also will be under her tree. Correct?
Yes.
Everyone, is that clear, ma? This line is clear?
Yes.
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 Now, yes, good. So now Anusha Garu will come to our team. Okay. Where incident management is there? In which tool incident management is there?
ServiceNow.
In ServiceNow. Okay. So ServiceNow, in ServiceNow, she will come to our team. Okay. We have a team here. Okay. Now our team came. ServiceNow platform support team. Okay. So this is our platform support team. Okay. It have a consultant. Okay. Consultant architect. I will just minimize the team. Okay. The more we see now, it gives more confusion. Okay. So here in this team, 5 developers are there. Okay. 2 testers are there. Okay. One project manager is there. Okay. Maybe a team lead, project lead. One only. Okay. So one PM or TM. Okay. One architect. Okay. And one BA. Or architect and BA. Okay. Let's say architect and BA. Let's say like this. Okay. Scrum Master ignore for 2 minutes. Doesn't matter. We will see Scrum Master very later stages. Okay. Now First of all, Anusha garu needs something on incident management. Okay, so in incident management page, okay, I want a new option maybe here. Okay, short description is there where customers can enter. Okay, the issue description in a shorter way and deeper way, means more descriptive way. Okay, so here they need one option like notify me. Okay, it's like a checkbox. Okay, and the checkbox is something like tick box. Okay, let me show, maybe just give me 1 second, I will show how it looks like. Okay, so let me request, I think someone needs to keep it on mute now, please.
In user table you can find, I guess.
Okay, so in this table you have something now, active true, active false, right? So like this, notify me is there. Okay, in our incident table, notify me, I want notify me like this. Okay, so the notify me, if I say the tech, it's a checkbox, notify me. Okay, it's a checkbox, means yes or no, true or false. Okay, and if any incident created with notify me checked, okay, then he need a notification. Okay, send an email, okay, to service desk group. That's it. The group, what is group, I will tell you later. Okay, group is a collection of people. Okay, so if I assign a ticket to these people, okay, this group, all the group members will any one of the group member can work on this ticket. Okay, the users groups and all we will see in tomorrow class now. Okay, but group is collection of people, collection of team. Okay, this is the group, our team. Okay, like this, service desk is also one more group. Okay, application development is also one more group. Like that, groups will be there in organization. Teams will be there in organization. Okay, now Anusha garu came and say, okay, I want this, I am a process owner, do it. Okay, because this is my application, I want it, do it. That's what she said. She's a project manager, no process manager, so she will tell like that only. Okay, to whom she will tell?
To the developer.
Only architect.
Okay, she will tell not to the tester, not to the developer. Okay, she will be test.
Team lead.
Okay, she may tell to a project manager. Okay, because the business contact will be in touch with business lead. Who is our business lead? Who is our process lead? Okay, okay, for service now, sorry, for service desk, she is the process owner. For service now, who is the process owner? Our PM or our TM is a process owner, correct?
Yes, yes.
Right, project manager, right? So we have one project manager. So he is heading ServiceNow platform. She is heading service desk platform. Okay. So she will come and say, okay, maybe here one more volunteer. Who is our, okay, I need to see our group for names. Okay. Priyanka Garu is there. Okay. She is the last person who typed in our chat. Okay, very good. I found her name. So Anusha Garu came and say, okay, hi Priyanka, I want this one to be implemented in my application. Then Priyanka Garu will take it. Okay, let's say I will check with my team and then I will check the feasibility of it. Okay, I will come back to you. Very good. And then she also will ask, okay, why you need it? They can't come and say implement it. Chumma they can't say, right? They need to give a justification why you need it. Maybe she will tell, okay, maybe we are missing few incidents. Okay, we want to make more track of it. So this will help us. Okay, notify me. Notify me means here service desk. Okay, notify service desk. Okay, something like this. Okay, if they say notify me, notify service desk and then submit it, it triggers an email. Okay, so that we will track of it. It may help our process. Good, something like this. Okay, then it is feasible. Good idea. So Priyanka Garu will say, okay, we will check it. Then she will convey the same thing to whom? Okay, the project manager will tell the requirement to whom?
Developers.
Team members.
Developer is the
To
last.
the architect or business
Team
analyst.
lead.
She
Team
will
lead.
tell, okay, this one. See here, we have one person here, BA. Okay, business analyst. Sometimes, okay, the project manager will tell to BA, she don't hear directly, okay. She will tell our BA, business analyst, okay, go and check with Anusha Garu, what is our requirement. The BA will hear and then come say, she want this. Okay, so that is like a BA. BA is like a business analyst. You want to analyze what are the requirements are coming and then convert those requirements into our work. I will tell you more. Okay, so either BA or either project manager can speak and get the details, get the requirements. Okay, so now the BA or a project manager will tell to architect. Okay, she told like this, and can we able to do? Then the architect is the person who designs it, who take the decision of the things that you want to develop in this particular platform. He will tell, okay, we already have the notifications when a group is assigned, when an incident is assigned to a group, system will send an email. Why you want to send again? He will ask like this. Okay, then the BAR project manager will say, okay, this is what their requirement. Then he will tell, is this really required? Do we need to develop a new thing? Do we already have a existing functionality that will support this requirement? So technical point of the activity to accomplish, to take care of this requirement, this person will take it up. An architect is a senior, strongest technical person who takes the decision what to do, what not to do. Is that clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone, is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
yes, now, let's say they said we can't do it. Okay, if you do it, we may get our platform hampered. We don't do. So we will say, no, Anusha Garu, this cannot be done because of this reason. That's it. Okay, that's where we are. If it cannot be done, we will say no. Okay, let's say it can be done. So the architect will say, okay, we will do it. Okay, we will deliver it in maybe this much of time. Time and all, we will take it up. Now the architect will create a developer work here. Okay, so he will create something called story. Story is a developer ticket. Incident is a issue ticket. Story is a developer ticket. We will see, ma. Okay, later classes we will see what is story, what is the definition of story. So he will create a story, means developer work. Okay, don't focus on my spellings because I am very poor in English. Also, when I'm speaking it now, my focus on more like speaking, not on typing. Okay, so you may see so many mistakes. Okay, I know they are mistakes, but I just ignore it. Okay, so he will create a development work, and then the development work will be assigned to developers. Okay, now this work came to one of the developer. Like this, we have so many things will come to our platform to do. This is only one example. Now, one more person will come and say, I want something to be done on CMDB application. Okay, so in our system, there is a big bunch of database CMDB. There we have so many things. So in computer page, I want to add something, some new field. That is one more requirement. One requirement is in its incident page, you are adding something here. Okay, one more requirement is in computer page, add one option. Okay, and one more person will come. He say, okay, I want something else on some other application. So the list will go on, go on, go on, go on. Okay, our architects, our BAs, our project managers will be involved with customers and then getting all the requirements and then creating the respective stories for developers. Story number 1, story number 2, story number 3, story number 4, blah 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 will go. Now the developers will take the stories and the respective architect who designed the story, the respective BA who designed the story. Okay, because these people know what is the requirement. Okay, they will write the requirement in the form of development requirement. So let's say I am the architect. What I will do? I will write a story. Okay, so I'll write a story like this. Okay, I am showing so many things. First time learners don't confuse because this navigation, why I am opening this story, why I am opening this. Okay, why I'm opening that, you may get little confused because you are very new to this particular tool. Okay, you never ever accessed it, you never ever typed anything, so that's why you will get little confused. But try to understand this part, not this part. Okay, so I'm an architect, I will create a new story. Okay, so application incident, okay, notify me, new option creation, okay. Then in the justification, I may write all the stuff in the incident application incident, okay, new field, notify me, okay, notification on creation time, send one notification. All the technical things I will write it. How much detailed things I want to write it for my developers, I will type that much of details. Okay, if a developer sees, he is the developer. Okay, if a developer sees the description, then he will easily identify. Okay, what is the requirement, what I need to do. That level of details I will write it here. Okay, that part will be done by either BA or either architect. I will only pick the story. I will do something. What I will do? Let's say I pick the story. This story I pick it. Okay. I am now. Who is now? I am Sai. Okay. So I am Sai now, right? And I will take the story. What I do? I will go here. I will go and do some development. What development I will do? Okay. I'll go to the table. This is what I do, ma. For this requirement, this is what we do. Okay. I'll go here. I'll create a new field. Okay, and something like this. You will understand these are our development topics. Okay, notify me, right? You submit it. This is the developer work. Okay, now go to the form. You will all get it now, don't confuse. Okay, due to time I'm using shortcuts. Okay, so now the field notify me came here, something like this. Arrange it. I want some exactly here. I want exactly here. Okay, so to arrange it we may use different concept.
Layout.
Yes, sir. So arrange it where you want to arrange, design it how you want to design, do all these things. These are our development concepts. Okay, we will be learning it very deeply later, but I'm just showing it on a high level. So where I want to keep it, somewhere I kept it very first. Very good, not good. Okay, so good. I arranged it where I want to keep it, means where the process owner of service desk wanted to keep. Okay, Anusha Garu wanted to keep. She wants to keep it here. Okay, and then I will also do some notification configuration. Okay, that is a different work, but I will work on this. So who is me here? The developer. What developer will do? Developer will do development here. This part is clear, ma? For this requirement, what developer is doing, is that clear?
Yes, yes.
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 Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So to do this job, we need to learn all these concepts. The concept that just I used it here will come here. Okay, maybe for some other requirement, maybe you may use something else here. For some other requirement, maybe you may use something here. But any requirement will comes on any application, whether it is a incident application, whether it is a CMDB application, whether it is GRC application, any application. We use all these topics to do the development. The example that I took is very simple one. Okay, very initial level, basic level. But we may also see other examples also, which needed something little deeper topics. Okay, so I am the developer. I know all these concepts. So any work comes, I can able to take it. That's where I am. Okay, like this, we will be getting so many stories. The stories will be distributed to developers. They develop it. Then, so when they develop it, what we do? We move to production. Okay, so let's say there is a different topic. So whatever we develop it, okay, our testers will test them. Okay, so let's say for this particular time we are doing 10 stories, means 10 development works. The 10 development works, 10 stories will be tested by our two testers. So here also we have the same kind of testing. Whoever said manual testing here, you will be doing manual testing exactly the same way what you do. But here the environment is ServiceNow. Here the functionality is, okay, the things that you tested is these stories. Okay, So when you are testing it, you should aware of what is ServiceNow, what is incident management, what is the definition of these two. That's why I said this is good for testers. This is good for
Oh,
developers.
wonderful.
Okay, good. So now everyone covered. All job types are covered, ma,
Yes.
right? So now,
Yeah.
yeah. So now, is this course good for everyone who have something? So you are a process owner. You are
Yes,
very
sir.
strong in ServiceNow change management. Yes, it is good for you. You are from someone came from mainframes. Mainframes is a database, and this is a database. You have very strong knowledge there. Okay. Someone came from PHP. You know web designing. That coding language you can use it in ServiceNow coding. Yes. So for everyone it is good. For how about people who don't know anything? You are learning everything from scratch. This is also good for you. The job roles is clear, ma. This is answered. Any questions? Any confusions here?
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, please.
So asset management software and hardware asset management come under which part? Means which developer or administrator or which?
It is development, it is implementation, it is administration, everything, sir.
Oh,
These three are same, sir.
okay,
Okay. In live environment,
okay.
we don't see three
Mm-hmm.
ways. We see only one way. That is developer. That's it. A developer,
All right. All right.
tester.
Mhm.
Maybe that's why I made it very short here. See, I didn't write anything like implementer or a administrator. Correct?
Yeah. Got
Yes.
it.
Yes, sir.
Thank
It's
you.
very simple.
Yes. Yes.
Simple
Sir,
process.
consultant and architecture are both are same. Senior consultant and senior
Uh,
architecture.
the consultant, there is how to define the role of consultant is not exactly. I can't say it. Okay, because we take the resource as consultant and we use him like anything. Okay, he may be a BA sometimes, he may be a consultant. What is the exact meaning of consultant is, okay, so you have a company, you have a product. A consultant is a person who goes to every vendor, every customer, explain about your application, explain about your product, and then help to sell the product or show a demo to the people. That's where the actual consultant meaning, as per my understanding. Correct? Is that correct? Maybe experienced people. Did I say something wrong here?
Yes, it's correct.
Correct.
You're like a process consultant.
Process
You
consultant.
drive the process.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it is a product-based consult, he will sell the products. Okay. If it is a process-oriented, then he will go and explain the process design, about process to the customers. Okay. You want instant management, we will come and implement it. This is how instant management works. So that's what he will tell. Okay. But architect is something like he he is running this platform. So he is the head of the platform. Okay. ServiceNow. What we need to do, what we don't, we should not do, what is good for what is good for this particular platform, what is not good for the particular platform. So he is the decision maker. Okay, but unfortunately in our IT service, okay, service providing company, we use a senior resource like anything. He even don't know what he belongs to.
Okay, sir.
Correct, sir.
Okay,
Correct.
so that is correct. Okay, so that's why I didn't write everything here. I made it as shorter as possible. Okay, you may be a developer. Okay, in the development, you may develop it, you may implement it, you may administrate. People will say, sir, I want to only learn administration. Okay, you feel like administration is non-coding job. No, administration in ServiceNow is the most powerful job. I will tell you I will tell you the importance of it. Okay, many people where that's how they are guided by the people who are not properly covering the topics. Okay, admin job is not waste job. It is a most powerful job. I will tell you the samples. Okay, then you will understand. So that's why I didn't write all these three. Developer means developer. Okay, tester means tester. A lead, technical lead or a process lead is a lead. Architect or a BA, strong people. That's it. Those are the roles you may belongs to once you are step out of this training and once you get a job. People who have 3 years, 4 years experience, up to 5, 6 years experience, you may belong to these two. People may have 10 plus years of experience where you have a solid process oriented knowledge. Then use your all experience to become like a process project manager or a team manager. It is a very value add. You are already a team manager. You are already a process manager. Keep ServiceNow process as your tool, and then try with Try with that. Okay, maybe architect also same, but for architects you should be very strong in technical stuff also. Process, technical both should be. Maybe it will take little time, but it don't take much time. For people who have 10 plus of experience, this is statement. Okay. BA, if you are very good at technical, so BA actually, okay, any BAs are here before I comment something. I don't want to hurt, so I should be very careful. Any BA here? Any business analyst here?
No.
No, no, right? Generally, I will take another 3 minutes now. Okay, I think it's already late, so please bear. Business analyst in live environment, in IT environment, is like they are completely communication people. They will go to customers, they will get the requirement, and then they will convey the same thing to developers. That's how we treat BA. That is the reality. Correct? Is that correct or not?
Yes.
Yes. But
They are the translator from the business language
translator,
to the technical language.
translator. It's like a Siri. Hey Siri. Okay. It's
Yes.
like a Siri, or now many things are came. I don't know. I never used it. Okay. I'm not fan of this AI. So what is that, ma? In our every house it is there na. One box will play everything.
Alexa.
Alexa. Okay.
Alexa.
Another
Alexa,
background.
yeah.
So okay. So he's like a Alexa. Hey Alexa, do it. The Alexa will tell the switch like play it. That's it. So now the how the BFs are normally in industry is they are very less technical, more communicational. Okay. So now if you are a BA, if you are like this, okay, tech, okay, in live environment, trust me, a position of a BA is very pathetic. How
Yes,
is
sir.
okay? How is people will not give any value to him? Why I will tell you. Okay, I am a BA. I heard something from Anusha Garu and say, developers, please do. Okay, this is what the requirement came from Anusha Garu. Please do it. Now a technical person will say, we can't do it. Even though he can do, he will say we can't do. Then what is the answer for BA?
You can't explain the technical things.
Okay, you don't know why he said he can't do. He can't. He is in a position where he cannot say no to business process owner. Then what he will do? He need to request them. Then they will play with him. Is that correct statement, ma?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Probably yes.
Yes.
yes, good. Now actual BA should be very strong in the technical way. When he's not only BMA, okay, the communication channel between client and team, developer team, whoever is acting as a communication channel, they should have the strong, at not very strong. You don't need to write coding, okay, but at least something. Okay, if he is giving some requirement, he should in his mind he should immediately get. Okay, for this one he needs to go to a table and create a column. That level of understanding he should at least have it. If he don't have that kind of platform knowledge, tool knowledge, he is a puppet. Everyone will play with him. And this is the reality of real normal BAs in live environment. Understood now? So for BA, anyone wants to go as a BA who have an interest, and if you know some good command in the platform, first learn the technical part, at least process part very clearly, strong with the basics, then go. You will be given very nice value in the team. If not, you will be like a puppet. Okay, good. Did I cover all the points, ma? What are the roles that we are going to cover?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Covered.
Yes.
Yes. So you will be one of them. Okay. So it will help if you learn these topics, it will learn in all the ways. Okay. So that's what our program will be.